to do some falling today. Bunch of dirty old cottonwoods and poplars. It's this whole section here. Another one down there, and another one at the end. And then a whole swath of trees going in there. It's gonna be a good time. I don't have my tripod, but make do. Right on. All right. Just getting the escape routes going. Pretty much in every direction, because these things are all pretty leaned out. I might even strap a couple of these ones, because they're pretty brittle as is. And then when it's cold as friggin' hell out right now, it's probably -8 out here or something. It's even more prone to barber chair. So a few of these will go nice. They're standing pretty up straight up there. But yeah, get some stuff set up and start dumping some trees. Alright, got this area opened up here. And got this big one to deal with. Oh, you can hear right there, there's one that's hung up in that cedar, and then this one has a bunch of snags up, or a bunch of hangers up there, so I put a little cut in it, and I'm gonna hit it with this tree and flatten it all out. I'll get the husky going here, get my undercut in, and then I'll come back to you. Forgot my tripod, so I got a custom phone holder right here. Got the old undercut in there, aiming right at the snag, and this hung up tree. Hopefully it just blasts it out of there. It's a pretty heavy tree, so it should. Got my escape route that way, one that way. You want to have more than one, because you never know when shit's gonna go sideways on you. And yeah, it honestly takes longer to scrub all this out. Like, it's as thick as that in here, and now I've opened it all. I just got this left here before I move on down the road and start the next. But yeah, lots of escape routes. All right, get this camera set up here. And that's how you clear all the hangers when they're all fucking hung up in trees. Got all these laid out. Threw a bunch of them back there too. Knocked some snags over. There's a few more back there, and yeah. Gonna move on to the next phase now. And then the fun part begins, where there's nothing to scrub out around any of the trees like this. This took like 2 hours of slashing to get up to the butts of these trees, to the stumps to cut, because you can't really weasel your way in there and do a cut and then have it barber chair on you, and you can't run away. So lots of slashing and escape trails, escape routes. But up here there's going to be like, I don't know, 60 trees, and they're all just straight up and down. You can hammer through it. It's going to be a good time. Alright, so we got a tree broken up there. All hung up in that one. So I'm gonna try and smash it with this tree. Should reach her. Just had to make myself a little camera mount here. Let's see. That should be good. And I missed it. I'm really trying to avoid this maple tree here. He really wants to keep that. So I already tagged it almost once, so oh, I'll hit it with a different tree, I guess. Oh, it's a lot wider in here now. The stumps are all, he didn't really care about the stumps. He's gonna come through here with a bulldozer anyways. So, yeah. Save the maple tree, and yeah. Everything else is flat, and until next time, I think he wants me to go down this way next, but we'll see.